Good morning, class 8. So, in the last class, we have completed our chapter that was conservation of plants and animals. And we have already seen in DG, we have already done in DG about deforestation from in our last to last class. So today we'll start from biodiversity in DG. I hope this will help you understand the concepts in a better way. Okay. So please concentrate on this. We shall start with, I think it is biodiversity. Biodiversity and its conservation.
It is springtime. Look at this garden. What a variety of local plants, fruits and berries, nectar-producing flowers. It attracts a lot of different birds and insects. A safe resting place with a clean water bath nearby attracts the birds. There are rocks and piles for the beetles. A pesticide-free environment is welcoming for them all. The whole earth or any specific habitat is filled with numerous varieties of plants and animals. What you see is biodiversity. We know an ecosystem is formed by the interaction between living and non-living components. The term biodiversity refers to the diversity of biological species in a particular habitat, be it the whole earth, an ecosystem, or even your garden.
So what is biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the diversity of biological species in a particular habitat or on the earth as a whole.
An ecosystem is said to be rich when it has high biodiversity. The environmental factors, characteristics of a region determine the biodiversity of that region. Environmentalists are making vigorous efforts to preserve nature as it is. Biologists and scientists study the influence of environmental changes on the living world, or biodiversity, in depth. Why is biodiversity so significant? The living world of Earth is the product of hundreds of millions of years of evolutionary history. Any harm to one species may cause harm to many more species. Animal pollinators play a crucial role in plant reproduction and seed dispersal. The decomposers break down dead organic matter into organic nutrients. They thereby influence the physical composition of the soil and improve its chemical properties. Plants and living organisms together maintain the balance of.
तो क्लास हमने यहाँ पर देखा, हमने ऑलरेडी चैप्टर में पढ़ लिया कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक्चुअली में क्या होती है. ठीक है. उसके बाद हमने देख लिया कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी में किस तरह से लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एक दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट होते हैं. ठीक है. ये जो सारा प्रोसेस है, अगर बायोडाइवर्सिटी को कुछ हार्म करा जाए तो इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स पर या इन, देखो आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे हो कि जो ऑक्सीजन इज टेकन बाय ह्यूमंस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज्ड फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस. तो जितने भी हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं वो किस तरह से एक दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट है. अगर एक को भी हार्म करा जाए तो दूसरे पर अल्टीमेटली इफ़ेक्ट पड़ेगा। ठीक है, यहाँ तक हमने देखा था, ये हमने डीजी में भी करा था लास्ट टू लास्ट क्लास में। आई होप आप लोगों को रिकॉल हो गया होगा। ठीक है, अब आगे से कंटिन्यू करेंगे। सो क्लास, नाउ वी विल सी थ्रेट्स टू फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। व्हाट आर द थ्रेट्स टू फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ?
Biodiversity improves the quality of our life. It provides an environment in which many organisms which are important to human life can survive and be harvested. But to obtain these benefits, man is threatening the forests and wildlife. Extinction of species is one major threat which is disturbing the ecosystem. More than the natural extinction, human actions are a cause of concern. Humans threaten species, sites, and habitats. How? The rapid increase in human population levels and their consequent demands is causing destruction of habitats because of agriculture, mining, logging, development of industries, and space for residents.
So consequent demand is the cause of destruction of the habitats. Is it fine? क्या क्या कारण हो सकते हैं? That is agriculture, mining, logging, industries or residents.
Endemic plants and animals, those that are exclusively native to a place, face the threat of extinction. Migratory birds and animals may be endangered by this, as the places that they migrate to are affected. Poaching is a primary reason for loss of biodiversity in many developing regions. A few examples of such endangered species are African elephants, Indian tigers, blue whales, and almost all species of marine turtles.
So class, these all are the examples of endangered species, that are African elephants, Indian tigers, blue whales and marine turtles.
Can you name any extinct species? The dodo, the mammoth, and dinosaurs are among the extinct species.
Is it fine? ये हो गए आपके extinct species. Now we will do conservation of forest and wildlife.
That's not a dream, Annie. Forests are being cleared up in the name of development. We need to do something to preserve them. Today's episode is on forests and wildlife. Forests around the world have been diminishing at an alarming rate. They are being cleared out to build homes, thereby rendering the wildlife homeless. Is there a solution to this? Yes, of course. A biosphere reserve is a huge area of land where plants, animals, and crops.
So class, what is biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve is a huge area of land where plants, animals and tribals living in that area are conserved and protected. Is it clear? बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व क्या होता है? बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स और उस एरिया में रहने वाले ट्राइबल्स जो होते हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करा जाता है और कंजर्व करा जाता है। जिस तरह से ह्यूमन बींग्स हमारे फॉरेस्ट को, जो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं फॉरेस्ट को कट कर रहे हैं, तो वो क्या है, उससे एक थ्रेट क्रिएट हो जाता है टू एनिमल्स, टू प्लांट्स एंड टू ट्राइबल्स लिविंग इन दैट एरिया। ठीक है, तो बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व क्या है? बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व वो एरियाज है जहाँ पर प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स